Just yesterday, we were having a conversation about how Indian homes have a routine with things like milk and yogurt. So, mom would buy, I don't know, 2 liters or 4 liters of milk every day. So, we used to get fresh milk at home. The milkman would come. And as soon as that came in, she would take the milk, put it on the stove, boil it, set it to cool on the dining table. And I think in a couple of hours, she would then put it in the refrigerator. And then once it was in the refrigerator, I think by evening time it would have enough thick cream on top, sorry. And then she would separate the cream. And then she would take like half the milk and set curd with it, which is what I'm doing right now. And the rest would get used in drinking. Every day, you're having your milk or coffee or hot milk before bed or whatever. Chai, a lot of chai, of course. And then the previous day's curd would be almost getting over. If you had like a stash of curd for 2-3 days, you'd end up making um, some dish like potatoes with curd or curry or something like that. And the malai, the cream would keep getting collected eventually to a point where you're like, okay, now we can make butter from this. And then the butter would keep getting collected if we didn't finish all of it before. We used to swipe the malai off like immediately. And then the leftover butter would make ghee. And so every house had this routine that you would order X amount of milk every day, and the milkman used to keep note of that on his paper diary, and at the end of the month you'd pay the bill. Essentially, that's how that worked. But yeah, it was like 2 liters of milk every day. 1 liter would get converted to curd, the rest would get used. You would also have cream, butter, ghee, etc. So Jimmy was like, "Oh wow, that's interesting," and I hadn't considered that perspective initially. That not everyone does that, but it's like down pat, and that system has to be followed because otherwise there will be miscalculations and there will be excess milk, and then mom will be like, "Oh no, now I have to make kulfi, otherwise the milk will go bad," which is just fine. But yeah, I thought I'd share that. I thought that was an interesting system that we have back in India. I'm sure a lot of people have systems in their own families and cultures and countries, etc.